my name's Min. Today I'll learn Abigail. Let's go.
Welcome to Science. We're going to start with some review. Aiden Gobi, scorekeeper for the boys. Tyra, scorekeeper for the girls. First girl and boy, Emily and Presley. Tell me the layer of air that surrounds the earth. Tie, both teams a point next to. What is the condition of the air that is known in the atmosphere is known as the? Girls have it, nice job. This is for students watching. What word means to soak up? And Asa?
Absorb.
Yes, absorb is correct, so next two. What word means to give off?
Pretty.
Boys, next two. Tell me one element that makes up weather.
Wind.
Yes, girls have it. The others would be heat and water. Tell me the effect. Atmosphere keeps the heat from escaping back into space. Temperature is measured in?
Degrees.
Boys, next two. Amaya. Water in gas form is known as? Students watching? Anyone? Morgan.
Water vapor.
Water vapor. Girls have that point. Next two. Yes. Moving air is known as?
Wind.
Girls. Next two. All air has weight or what?
Yes.
Known as the weight of the air. Students watching? Anyone? Emily?
Air pressure.
Air pressure. Girls. Nice job. Next two. What do we call the scientist who studies weather?
Meteorologist.
Tie, both teams a point. Next two. Lexi and Asa. A weather prediction is known as the? Students watching? Anyone? Jimmy.
Forecast.
Boys have it. Next two. On this side. What do we call the process by which liquid water becomes water vapor?
Water cycle.
The first step.
Evaporation.
Boys. Next two. What do we call the process where earth and air are always exchanging water vapor or water? It goes up and then it comes down. It goes back up and then it comes back down. That is called the
Water cycle.
water cycle. Cadence has it for the girls. Next two. When the water vapor clings to the dust and forms a cloud, we call that what?
Condensation.
Yes, boys have it. Next two. Any form of water that falls from the clouds to the earth is called? Students watching? Anyone? Carson?
Precipitation.
Yes, boys have it though. Time was up. Next two. What type of precipitation has ice crystals of frozen water vapor? Students watching? Anyone? Morgan?
Snow.
Snow is the correct answer. Arthur and Morgan. What is the type of precipitation that is a bead of frozen rain that falls from the sky?
Hail. Sleet.
Sleet is correct. Carson and Amaya. What is a frozen raindrop?
Sao vậy được không? Dạ không có cần nói gì á.
During a thunderstorm, it is a frozen ball of ice.
Hail.
Hail is right. Next two. Thank you for waiting, sir. What shape is a raindrop?
Circle.
Yes, or perfectly round. So Carly has that. Next two. A raindrop begins as a tiny what?
Droplet.
Boys. Next two. How many sides does a snowflake have?
6.
Girls. Next two. Tell me one season hail falls.
Spring.
Boys. The other would be summer. This is for students watching. Where does hail form? Anyone? Carson?
When cold air bumps into when the water freezes.
Close. Jimmy?
Atmosphere.
No. Morgan?
When the droplets freeze and then
You're close, but there's a specific type or place where this happens. Jacob?
Where I don't know.
Yuna?
In the air.
Dev?
Thunderstorms.
Yes, a thunderstorm. So the boys have that. Students watching, if you said thunderstorm or thundercloud, you are correct. That's the specific place where hail is formed. Tell me the sound that lightning makes.
Thunder.
Girls, next two. What is a windstorm over warm water?
Hurricane.
Yes. Next two. This is the last question. What is a windstorm over hot land?
Tornado.
Yes, girls have it. So let's take a look at the points for the girls. 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 for the boys. So girls just won by 1. You may give yourself a pat on the back and a silent cheer. Ladies, nicely done with that review today. Good thinking. At this time, you may put your book away, take out your quiz materials, prepare for a quiz. Write your name at the top, then slide your cover sheet over your name. Let's look at the first section together, matching. Read each description in the first column and match it with the corresponding term in the second column. Write the correct letter in the blank. Look at the box. A, absorb. B, atmosphere. C, meteorologist. D, radiate. E, water vapor. F, weather. And G, wind. Number 1, the condition of the air is the what? Find the word, write the letter in the blank. Cross off that letter. It will only be used once, not anymore. One of these choices will not be used at all. Number 2, to soak up. Find the word that matches that description, write the letter on the blank. Cross that letter off, then read numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the letter in the blank. Do not go on. You may double check this section, but do not go on to the next section yet. Write true in the blank. If the statement is false, write false in the blank. Number 7, lightning is electricity that jumps from one cloud to another or from a cloud to the earth. The word that best fits that description, is that the underword lightning, true or false? Write the answer in the blank. Finish your last answer. Pencil away. Number 4, B, B. Number 5, G, G. Number 6, C, C. Number 7, true, true. Number 8, false, false. Number 9, true, true. Number